If you need to make changes to your event occurrences, open the event from your Events tab from your dashboard and click Occurrences in the left-hand menu or click Manage Occurrences. You can easily add a single or repeating occurrences with the same buttons you used when you set up your event. If you need to reschedule the date or time of one specific occurrence in an event series, first locate the event in the list. Click the More Actions button and click Edit. When you've made the changes to your event, click Save. To hide one event in your series, click the More Actions button next to your occurrence. Select Set Hidden and then Confirm. You can also do this in bulk by selecting multiple events and clicking the Actions button at the top of the list. Your occurrence will still show in your dashboard list, but with the hidden icon next to it, and your ticket buyers will no longer be able to see it on your box office. If an occurrence is no longer available, you can flag this to your ticket buyers by setting it to Unavailable. You can do this by clicking the More Actions button, or do this in bulk by selecting the events and clicking Actions from the top of the event list. If you want to add a custom message to your occurrence like Sold Out, you can do so by typing your message in the text box when prompted. Click Confirm. They will still show in your box office, but with an unavailable icon next to it.